just did. I just have the guy put the 2 spring there. Look at that. He put the 2 brand new spring. 3. He put 3 because the truck only came with 1. So look at that. And when I put an oil tank in it, it was dropping down the. It was lowering down the truck too much. So now let's check this out, dude. Brand new spring. Look at that, all the way across. And I could put some weight on it, this thing, baby, you know. I could put some weight on it. Look at it on that side too. Brand new, both sides, 3 leads spring. Well, I did two because the first one was over here already. This one was already, the truck came with this one. So what I did, I had these 2. 1 and 2 over here, these 2. Same thing in the other side. I tell you, man, I could put some weight in this baby now. Oh. I could put an oil tank and there should have no problem at all. I got my snow tire ready for the winter. Look how high it's now. Before I was hitting the street. If I would have had an oil tank, I was hitting some places with this thing, but now, nice. Love it. All right, let's go do some service call. I got a tune-up to do. Stay tuned, coming up.